In front of me is TECNO Pop 8 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening settings and choosing more connections. Then select printing. Click on default print service and wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use a different service, disable this one first. Go back, hit Add Service and download the best one for you. When it's ready, go back to the same settings. Then click on it and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!